Want to install custom ROMs on your phone? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of installing any custom ROM on your smartphone, just like I did with mine. Whether you're looking at Lineage OS, Pixel OS, Evolution X, or even Infinity X, by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to install any custom ROM on your device. Now, we all know what happens when a phone gets old. It starts slowing down, apps take forever to open, and the overall experience just isn't what it used to be. But here's where custom ROMs come in. They breathe new life into your device by delivering top-notch performance and giving you access to tons of customization options that you won't find in stock ROMs. Here's something important I want to address. A lot of people claim you can't run banking apps on custom ROMs, but I'm here to tell you that's simply not true anymore. Modern custom ROMs have become incredibly secure. They now include play integrity fixes, which means you can use your banking apps without any issues. Trust me on this. I've been using custom ROMs for years, and I've never had a problem. Plus, you get access to some really cool spoofing options like high FPS in every game without needing any external GFX tools. You also get unlimited Google Photos storage for your pictures, and that's just scratching the surface. And here's the best part. You're getting all of these features with the latest Android version, Android 16, paired with a high-performance custom kernel that's optimized to deliver exceptional performance. Everything runs incredibly smooth and flawlessly on these ROMs. You'll also get to experience the fresh, clean UI of Android 16, which looks and feels just like a Google Pixel phone. Alright, so make sure you back up all your important data, and let's dive into the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is install Platform Tools on your laptop. This is what allows you to connect your phone to your PC in ADB and Fastboot modes. To get started, open your browser and search for Platform Tools. In the search results, look for the official SDK Platform Tools website and click on it. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option that says Download Platform Tools for Windows. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new page. Scroll down, check the Terms and Conditions box, and click the Download button. Your Platform Tools package will begin downloading immediately. Now it's time to download your custom ROM. There are plenty of excellent custom ROM options out there, so take your pick based on what you're looking for. Popular options include Lineage OS, Pixel OS, Project Elixir, Evolution X, and Infinity X. Each of these ROM websites maintains a comprehensive list of supported devices from all major brands. I'll be dropping direct links to all of these websites in the description below for your convenience. Navigate to your specific device and download the ROM zip file. You'll also need to download the recovery and boot images for your phone. Everything you need is typically available on these websites, so make sure you grab all the necessary files. In my case, I'm installing Infinity X, but the process is pretty much the same regardless of which ROM you choose. If you want to follow along with Infinity X specifically, just stick with my steps. Head over to the Infinity X website and click on the download option. Then use the search function to locate your device. I'm searching for the K20 Pro here. Once you find your phone in the list, simply click on it. Now, this next part is crucial, so pay close attention. Every single custom ROM website has a section dedicated to flashing guides or installation instructions. This section provides detailed information about the installation process and lists all the specific files required for your particular device. This flashing guide section is standard across all custom ROM websites, and it's there specifically to help you understand the process. Once you've thoroughly read and understood the flashing guide, let's go ahead and download the ROM zip file. Click on the download option, which will open a new page. From there, navigate to the Files section and download the latest version available. Since I've already downloaded mine earlier, I won't be downloading it again. Once your download is complete, let's move on to preparing the device you want to customize. In my case, I'm working with the K20 Pro, but remember, you can use any compatible phone. First, let me show you my phone and verify its current software version. As you can see here, my phone is the K20 Pro and it's currently running on Android 13. Now, let's proceed with the installation process. The first step is enabling developer options on your phone. Here's how you do that. Go into your phone's settings and open the About Phone section. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Build Number. Tap on it 7 times in succession. This will unlock developer options on your device. Once that's done, navigate back to your main settings menu. You should now see developer options listed there. Tap on it to enter. Inside developer options, there's something critical you need to verify. Your bootloader must be unlocked. If it's not already unlocked, please check out my channel. I've created several detailed videos that walk you through the bootloader unlocking process for various devices. Once you've confirmed your bootloader is unlocked, go ahead and enable USB debugging. This option is essential because it allows your phone to communicate with your PC in Fastboot mode. After enabling USB debugging, you'll need to reboot your phone into Fastboot mode, which is also called bootloader mode. Once your phone successfully boots into Fastboot mode, you're ready to move forward. Now let's switch over to your PC. As you can see on my screen, I've already downloaded all the required files as specified in the flashing guide. The next step is to extract the Platform Tools archive. Once it's extracted, open the folder and click on the address bar at the top. Type CMD and press Enter. This will launch a command prompt window right in that directory. Now go ahead and connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. In the command prompt window, type Fastboot devices and hit Enter. If everything is working correctly, you should see a serial number appear. This confirms that your phone is properly connected and recognized by your PC. Now, we're going to flash the boot image. Type fastboot space, flash space boot, then drag and drop the boot.img file directly into the command prompt window. Oops, looks like I made a typo there. Let me retype that command correctly. Once that's done, we'll flash the recovery image. Type fastboot space flash space recovery and then drag and drop the recovery.img file into the command prompt window. After you've successfully flashed the recovery, it's time to boot your phone into recovery mode. Type fastboot space boot and once again, drag and drop the recovery.img file into the command prompt window. This command will boot your phone directly into recovery mode. If for some reason it doesn't boot automatically like what happened with mine, don't panic. You can boot into recovery mode manually by holding down the power button and volume up button simultaneously. Once you're in recovery mode, the first thing you need to do is perform a factory reset. This is important for a clean installation. Tap on the factory reset option, then select Format Data. This will wipe your device completely. After the factory reset is complete, go back to the main recovery menu and select Apply Update. Then, choose Apply Update from ADB. Now, back in your command prompt window, type ADB devices to verify that your ADB connection is working properly. Once you've confirmed the connection, type ADB space sideload, then drag and drop the firmware zip file that you downloaded earlier into the command prompt window. Keep in mind that not all devices require this firmware flashing step, so please refer to your specific device's flashing guide to be sure. Once that process completes, type ADB space sideload again. This time, drag and drop the Infinity X ROM zip file into the command prompt window. This installation will take considerably longer than the previous steps, so please be patient and let it complete without interruption. When the ROM installation finishes, disconnect your phone from the PC and perform one more factory reset. just as I'm doing here on screen. This ensures a completely clean start with your new ROM. Once that final factory reset is done, simply reboot your phone into the system and wait for it to complete the first boot. Keep in mind that the first boot always takes longer than usual, sometimes several minutes, so don't worry if it seems to be taking a while. Once your phone boots up successfully, go through the initial setup process, and congratulations! You're now running the latest Infinity X Android 16 ROM on your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'll catch you in the next video.